Today I'm standing here with the robotics team and I have a few questions to ask them. And so I'm going to start with Tyler Bellinger, who is a sophomore here at Walhalla High School. My question for you, Tyler, is what is Robotics Club?
So robotics consists of building the robot, which includes wiring, and we have a bunch of parts you have to screw together. And also the programming part, which I'd say is the hardest part because programming can get long and tricky and then you have to go back and fix it. And then the next part would be prepping for competition. And the competitions, they consist of around 30 teams. So it's a red versus blue team consisting of 2 teams, as I said, and that's all I have.
Okay, that's awesome. Miss Cunningham, who's this club for?
This club's mainly for anyone that's interested in building, mechanics of it, the electrical components. It would lead to any of that type of person that's interested.
Luke, when do you guys meet, and is it too late for students to join if they're interested?
Well, we meet every Monday and Thursday after school till 5:30. As far as is it too late for anybody to join, by myself, I'm fine with anybody joining.
All right, awesome. And for students who are interested, who should they come and see?
That would be me, Miss Cunningham. I'm in room 124 downstairs by the cafeteria area. And otherwise, it would be up in the robotics room, which is on the science lab, on the Mondays and Thursdays after school.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you guys so much. And yeah, I think that's it.
National Honor Society is sponsoring a toiletry and personal hygiene drive that benefits Grace's Closet. The drive began last Tuesday and will continue until November 15th.
A collection table will be set up in the commons area on several different days during the week. Make sure you pay attention to each week's announcement to find out which days specifically. A list of items needed can be found around the school in the hallways, in your classroom, and on the school's website.
Besides the commons area, donations can also be dropped off in Ms. Plowden's, Ms. Price, or Ms. Vogel's room any day, Tuesday through Friday. National Honor Society students can earn up to 2 club-specific NHS hours for their donations.
4 full-size items will count as 1 hour. If you're interested in working one of the tables for your hours, you can go to the NHS campus page for more information.
So I'm here with William Campbell, who's a freshman, and if you could go to anywhere in the world for free, where would you go?
It's quite a hard decision. I guess Alaska, see the northern lights, because I think that would be pretty cool.
Yeah, that would be awesome. Perfect, that's it.
I'm here with Thomas Nix, who is a sophomore at Walhalla. So Thomas, who is a role model that you look up to and why?
My role model is Coach Buckner, my cross-country coach. He pushes me to do my best and make sure that I push in every meet that I do.
Awesome.
So I'm here today with Emily Hernandez, a junior. And Emily, what do you want to do in the future?
Okay, so I'm going to start with college. So I really want to run for a university and then go to medical school and become an anesthesiologist. I want to become that because I just feel like helping people is something that I really want to do and just save lives.
I'm here with Jasmine Hernandez, who is a senior. Now Jasmine, if you had $1 million, what would you spend it on and why?
Okay, so I'd buy like a bunch of buildings and then I'll rent them out so I get more money. And then when I get more money, I'll give Alex $1.
Seniors. Senior ads are due by next Friday, November 8th. If you haven't already, now is the time to vote for our 2020 Senior Superlative. An email was sent to your school's email address containing the Google form. To find it, you can search the word superlative in the search bar and it should come up. Or get a yellow voting form from Miss Lynch, room 255. All votes are due by November 20th.